Hello, today we will guide you through how to view HubSpot Calendar. To get started, open HubSpot and make sure you're on the main home screen. This is the central dashboard where you can access different tools and sections across your account. Starting from the home area makes it easier to follow the navigation exactly and quickly find the calendar view without getting lost in other menus. Once you're on the home page, move your mouse over the marketing option in the left-hand navigation panel. You do not need to click right away. Simply hovering over marketing will reveal the related menu options available in that section. If your navigation panel is collapsed or appears smaller than expected, take a moment to expand it so you can clearly see the labels. This helps avoid clicking into the wrong area and makes the next step much smoother. After the marketing menu opens, click on Campaigns. This will take you to the Campaigns section, where HubSpot organizes your marketing campaign activity in one place. Depending on your account and the amount of data inside it, this page may take a few seconds to load. If that happens, just wait until the content fully appears before continuing. It's a good idea to confirm that you're in the Campaigns area before moving on, since the Calendar option is located there. When the Campaigns page is visible, look for the Calendar option and click it. This opens the HubSpot Calendar view, where you can review your scheduled marketing activity in a more visual layout. The calendar can be especially useful if you want to see timing, spacing, and upcoming campaign plans at a glance, rather than reading through a list. If the page contains multiple tabs or filters, make sure you select Calendar specifically so you are viewing the schedule in the correct format. And that's it. You've successfully opened the HubSpot Calendar. From here, you can view your campaign schedule and better understand how your marketing activities are organized over time. If you plan to use this view often, it may help to familiarize yourself with the surrounding campaign tools as well, since they work closely together with the calendar. Thanks for following along. This is a simple process once you know where to look, and repeating these same steps will help you get back to the HubSpot Calendar anytime you need it.